What's up, guys? This is little Icky 9870. We're back with some Slime Rancher. I'm sorry for not recording for a while. I know I was on a big streak. My recording app was having problems. No, I do not use YouTube to record. I upload my videos on YouTube. I don't use YouTube to record. And I just needed a break from the game. Uh, yeah, we can do that. Let's just go. We can easily do that. Uh, Boom. Alright. That was a little. For me, I just had a lag spike. I don't know if it was on your guys' screen. Sometimes it's not on your guys' screen, so it's weird. Oh, I can hold 40. I thought I could only hold 30. That's a lot of carrots. Do you guys have a lot? Yes, you guys do. Okay. You guys have a lot? You guys have quite a bit. You guys have quite a few. Not amazing, but it's still pretty good. Come on. Oh my god. There. Okay. Boom. Boom. Alright, just gonna sell these. We're gonna save up for the lab. It's $10,000, I'm pretty sure. And then after the lab, we'll save up for the docks. Oh my god. There. My keyboard was being weird. Oh shoot. I did not mean to shoot my water. Alright, let's go check on our philosopher slimes. We got this like maybe 3 episodes ago. Feel free, come on. Uh I didn't know if you guys want me to stream this game, but I'm gonna be streaming probably Minecraft, and maybe in the next couple weeks I'll probably be streaming Minecraft or making videos, streaming. I don't know what you would call it. Boom. Yeah, they give you a bunch of ports while you're gone, while you're like not playing the game. Boom. And I have the Q berries in there because they eat the Q berries. It's their favorite. So that's why I have those in there. My freaking keyboard's being weird. No, I have not got a new keyboard yet. Ooh, we're gonna see if we can get that upgrade. Because you always get upgrades before you do anything. Always max out on all your upgrades. Boom. They're just gonna help you so much. Like I use less stamina when I run now, since it was one of the upgrades. Um, should we go catch some chickens? Because the tabbies are starting to get a little low. Let's get some plorts. Let's get some money. Get some moolah la. Oh my god. Hello? Sorry, I couldn't control my. It's not. My game's lagging. It's not letting me control my keyboard. Here, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna pause the recording and wait for it to. I'll just wait like 5 minutes to hope it stops lagging out. So I'm gonna pause it after I collect this stuff. Throw those out. Boom, boom. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording, guys. I'll see you guys in a second for you. Alright, I think the lagging has stopped. Still a little bit of lag, but yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fix it. Okay. Alright, I think we're back. Yes, we are. Now we don't have too much lag. I'm sorry if I get lag mixed up with like bugs. I don't mean to. I try not to. We do not have a coop anymore. I broke that. We don't collect chickens anymore unless it's by our property because our property has the best spot for chickens. Uh, let's come over here. What the? I was. What the? You guys see that? Come on, give me your plots. Ah, remember, leave a comment down below if you guys want me to read the H's, or I could do something. So you can pause the recording and read this. I, I gave you guys enough time to pause it. I'm not like one of those YouTubers that do it real quick, so that, and then it's harder for you to pause when they look at it. I don't do that. I think there's another H in here. I thought there was. There. Oh yeah, right here. You can pause it again. I think there's one more H up here. No? Is it over here? Is it? What's the H in here? I mean, I'll take the pogo fruit, I guess. I know I don't really need this food that I'm grabbing. I'm just putting in my silo so that I have extra food, just in case I run out for some reason. I don't know. There might just be. I don't know. I just like to plan just in case something bad happens. Like, I don't know. Something bad happens, so I don't have much food. You guys can pause it again. Alright, we're gonna go fill up their food things. Boom. Boom. You know what? We might as well collect the plorts while we're in here. While we're over here, might as well. I can't grab the pink ones. Come on. Boom. Put some of these carrots in the silo. I think we only needed 4 carrots to fill up the big boys' food. Boom. Alright. We have pogo fruit. I'm gonna always pick the food just because I don't want to run out on food. I don't think I'm gonna run out on food because there's not like winters or anything. That'd be dope if they made winters so your crops stop growing. Maybe they can make it so you have to replant your crops after winter. That'd be cool. Alright, I think we needed 4. They probably ate one. Okay. Or you know what? Boom. I did not grab one in there. I totally didn't, guys. How low were you guys on chickens? 27. We should probably get them more chickens. That's pretty low. Sorry, my freaking keyboard's being a little weird. And this is a new keyboard, so I'm mad about that. Eh, don't need it. I'm not even gonna bother. Yes, they're never gonna get their favorite chickens. It sucks, but it's good enough. Just these chickens are good enough. Since we get them for free and we don't have to pay to make a coop, I say it's fair. I definitely think it's worth it. Stony hens, we're never going to get enough of those to make a livestock. I'm literally sucking it there. God. I was literally sucking it up, but it wouldn't. I know you guys probably don't like this. Just skip ahead if you guys don't want to watch me pick up chickens. Some people think it's satisfying picking up stuff with the sucking thingy majiggy. I'm sorry I'm not talking that much right now. It's just I'm trying to concentrate on the chickens. I know I don't have to concentrate that hard on chickens, but I'm trying not to miss any. Just to make it a little faster. Thought I saw some chicken over here. Alright, wait, is this the way out? No. We're basically full. We're basically full, it's fine. Come on. Alright. 64, okay. Alright, we're gonna get these plorts just so we can go sell them off. We're saving up for that lab. And I kind of want it this episode. Oh yeah, this episode's gonna be an hour long, guys. Because I want to make up for not recording for a while. So this is gonna be a decently long episode. I really just wanted to make up because of me not recording for a while. Just in case I have some fans that watch my recording. And please, if you like the video, hit that subscribe button. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will be much appreciated. It will be much appreciated. Alright. What do we do? Okay. Do we just go out there and try to find plorts? Come on. Oh, I'm out of stamina. Plorts. You see my damn plort. Ooh, oh, I did not notice that ever. There's a little flashlight on it. That's dope. Okay. Plorts, where are you? uh, I'll sing once in a while for you guys. I know you guys love my singing. I'm just joking. You guys are probably making fun of me. I'm confused. Huh. One of the pink Porsches just disappeared right in front of me. It was weird. Move. Get out of here. I don't want you. Give me. I don't know if I paused on this H, so. They should make it so if you read the H, it should turn a different color, like red or something. And then it should just be yellow when you haven't read it. Like, that would be really good. And so helpful. God. It's just annoying. No, like, if. Did I read this? It's like so annoying. Okay, next episode. Ooh, or we could do it now. I don't want to go to a new place if I don't have like full inventory. I Alright, next episode, we're gonna go explore. I know I said that before, but I forgot, guys. I really forgot. I don't have really that good of memory. So, I will literally try to remember what I'm gonna do next episode. And how I do YouTube, I just pull stuff out of my butt to do. I don't, like, plan stuff ahead of time. If you don't like people like that, you can leave if you want. I'm not gonna think of you differently. I'm still gonna think of you of a loyal person trying to try out my channel. And it's much appreciated. Much appreciated. Really? I missed? How? Hold on. I keep missing. Bro, I suck at this. Literally, it sucks. They make you look up in an angle. You should be able to look up all the way straight. Yeah, just screw this. I'm done. I don't want water anymore. Yeah, screw water. Water's just a butthole. It doesn't want to hit you. Hit me, bruh. Oh god. They already grew? Damn. And guys, if you don't like cussing, I might cuss once in a while. I try not to on YouTube, but I cuss once in a while. I'll try my best not to. And if you don't want to risk me cussing, you can leave if you want to. I'll still think of you the same way. A loyal watcher. We're not gonna get the lab today. Maybe. Hold on. Let me check how much is on the timer. We have 30 minutes left. Oh, am I up for this? Alright, let's do this. We're gonna try to get the lab today. I'm just not gonna go past an hour. Ah, alright. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. What should we do? What should we do? Can we just up another one? We can. Bob or Ross or Ogan. I don't think we've done him. Fudge. I forgot he asked us for that stuff. Alright. We're gonna get plorts and we're gonna go exploring. Alright. How are we? Where are we? Oh, right there. Right there where my mouse is. Uh, gotta go straight. Gotta go straight for. You can use W, S, D, and A to move around on your map. I think it's better. Um. Okay, we go up here, up, over. I. This is gonna be harder than I thought. I'm not good with maps, guys. Game maps, I think I can do that. So over here, I think I'm seeing. Yeah, okay. I think I bought the thing, I just didn't explore it. Pause the recording, you guys can read it if you want to. Alright. Ooh, there's the boom dudes. Boom slime. Alright. Boom. Might as well pick up the other one too. Oh, 4, drop that, drop that. We're gonna get some radiation slime. We're looking for slimes right now. We're not looking for plorts right now. Uh, let's drop that for now. No! I was just trying to look at the plort. I'm trying to, before I end this series, I want to get my pedia done. Guys, that's my goal. Might not complete it, but I'll try my best to complete it. As long as you guys are still with me. Ooh. Boom. Boom. What does he eat? Veggies. Uh, oh shoot, I picked up a rock slime. I don't have veggies. Wait, was there water in there? Because I need to kill this dude. The dudes. I'm with my stamina regen. So I think there's something up there. No. I, uh, I think we gotta get up there to get up there. I don't remember how to get up there. Hmm. Uh, bro, can you guys stop with your dumb hitting me? Stop! Oh my god, you guys are so fucking annoying. Sorry, guys. I needed to blurt it out. That's not new roostero. I don't even know if there's 2 types of roosteros. I don't think there is, but radiation. Oh, this is where I could get puddle slime. You don't have PDF for that for plorts, but puddle slime. This is what I'm gonna need a dock for. So we might get the dock sometime just so I can get these puddle slimes at home. Oh God. I just need 2 more boom slimes. Yes, I like to get 10 of each. What am I doing? This dude. I gotta feed him 1 veggie. So I can so he gets marked on the map. Yes, they'll get marked on the map if you feed them a veggie. You only have to feed them 1 to get them marked on the map. Pedia, slimes, what's their favorite? Heartbeat, resources. That's a veggie, but I'm not gonna be able to complete that dude's quest, so what the frick? Nope. See, now he's marked on the map right there by my mouse. You have to feed them something to get them marked on the map. Yeah, it's just one thing you have to do. I think there's another entrance over here. Yeah. Think this is the way home? Oh my god. There's more pink ports, so that's why I dropped the blue port. Alright, we're good. And you don't want too much puddle slimes together, because then they get a lot of anxiety. If you have a bunch together, they get anxiety. So you don't want to have a ton together. 3 is probably your best number. You can get like 5 in there if you have a toy. Where's the exit here? Yeah, if you put a toy in there of them, then you can have like 5 in there. But now I need the dock. I wonder if you can store slimes in the silo. I don't remember. I don't remember if you can. Really don't remember, but we'll check it out. We'll see. Nope. I We're just gonna have to have them in our inventory. That sucks, but it's whatever. We might be getting. I might make it so we have all Largos soon. Uh, wow. I don't know why I said it like that. You guys are probably like, what the? Slimepedia. We're gonna want to get those boom slimes. I, me personally, I want to mix boom and rad together. They just do way too much damage to you when they work together. Ooh, it's ridiculous on how much damage they do when they work together. Briarman? I don't even think I've got that yet. What about Rad? What's their favorite? Oka. We fed him our Oka. Um, we're not gonna do the hens, so we can make that a farm and these 2 corrals. Okay, we got enough to do some stuff. We want higher walls. I know, guys, I'm using all of my money. Oh, I did not mean to buy the solar thing. I did not mean to buy that, guys. We need 850. I'm sorry, guys, about spending all my money because of these new dudes. Alright, we're gonna get the boomies in there. Their diet is meat. Alright, well, we have 2 meat eaters now. Theirs is veggies. So we can give them carrots for now. The other ones are meat, so we'll have to go get some hens for them. And the other one's veggie, so we'll get carrots for him. Come on. Boom. Alright. Alright, so we need to get veggies and hens. Okay. Veggies and hens. Let's go sell these. Alright, guys, we were gonna get the lab, but now we gotta change the plans today. Now we're dealing with those upgrades for the new slime. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't stick to my word that well. But I hope you guys will forgive me. I did that so they would be in the first slot. It just bothers me when they're not. My neck's itching. There. Uh, where where's the chicken? Oh. Oh, we can get these. Um, I think I saw it. Yes. We really need to get maxed out on these chickens just so they have a lot of food because they're gonna need a lot. Just in case we're on a journey to the far, far away. When we explore, um, when we explore the map, they're gonna need a lot of food because we'll probably be gone for a while. Let me check something real quick, guys. Okay. That was just my phone. That sound. It was just a notification. Alright. Um, I hear chickens, I'm pretty sure. I thought I just saw one. Alright. Well, this is good enough food for now. We're probably gonna have to leave for them to respawn. Ooh, carrots. In real life, I'm not a fan of carrots that much, guys. I'm gonna tell you that. I like my soft carrots. I don't like them when they're all hard. I think it's all nasty when they are. My game's lagging. I hope it's not frozen for you guys. It's not for me, but I hope it's not for you guys. That would suck. Alright. And then we'll come back and get some more carrots. Do I got pogo fruit? I would hate to see all of this pogo fruit rot. Ooh. Just leave a comment down below if you guys want me to cut out when I'm getting the crops and stuff. If you guys want to see that. I'm guessing you guys probably don't. But I'm just going to record it because some people just like seeing it get sucked up, like I said before. What's here? You guys like your meat. Did I get... Yes, I did. Alright. I did get the food collector. We should probably bring the tabbies in them to one, just because we're gonna have, for 2 areas, we're gonna have to get meat for them. This one doesn't. Does this one? Yeah, this one doesn't have the auto feeder. Damn. Well, we need to get that. Oh my god, the pogo fruit grew when I was gone. God, food just grows way too fast in this game, I think. When you max out, upgrade your farm, your everything on your farm, you're just working. Like, it's just the game, you just work. Let's, just, boom, 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 boom. Alright. Yeah, I'm lagging a little bit. Uh, dang, we started 2 missions today from the phone thing. That's like, I haven't done that in one of my videos yet. I mean, I did it today, but, uh, uh, let's get some plorts. What? I just picked those. How did they already grow back? Huh. That was like insane how fast this grew back. I literally just picked that like 2 minutes ago. At least I think I did. Maybe it was just extra parts, scraps on the ground. I only got like 3 heartbeats. So it might have been just scraps. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah, my dog's snoring. Leave a comment down below. Do you like cats or dogs more? I personally like dogs a lot more. I'm not a fan of cats, I'll be honest. Luna! She has nightmares. Luna, Luna, you're okay. I have to comfort her like that because she has really bad nightmares, like really bad, pretty bad nightmares. But yeah, she's so adorable when she's having nightmares in her sleep. I know that sounds like really bad, but if you saw it, you would be like, "Oh, okay, I see where he's going at." This is maxed out. This is maxed out. Okay, all right. Gonna put two people are having carrots, so let's just move it to one. Oh, I forgot to go move the tabbies to one, and I need to move the largos to one since I have two things eating those. Damn, you have a lot of carrots. You guys need to go to one. So, alright. I haven't been this low on carrots in a while. Oh, God, maybe we come back again and get both our carrot places full. I don't know, we might bring it back up to two since we have so much carrot. I don't know why. No. Wait. Oh, it's because I just threw food in there. Okay. I'll grab these ports less because I just forget about these dudes. It's gonna be hard for me to remember about these dudes. Yeah, see, we need to come back and get some of these ports because they have so much ports. Oh, that's just ridiculous on how much ports it has. Whew, that's just ridiculous. Ah, come on. We're gonna go sell these ports and get so much money. I might just get the solar things just to max out the pins. Just max them out. We're just emptying some of that off so we can pick it on our farm. I want this to be full. I want their foods to be full. Just so they're never like too hungry. I don't like it when my slimes get hungry. I'm just bringing back up to two since I have so much. Then why not? Boom. Alright. See, I don't come in here that much. That's why I have like no plorts. Alright. Well, they're maxed out. Should we start maxing out this farm? Because we're gonna have the Oka thing here. Sure, let's just start maxing that out. Boom. Now we gotta max out farm for the Okas. I just got this just to scare off the slimes if they escape. They probably won't. But yeah, it's kind of a cool scarecrow. It's interesting. Yeah, these don't have the scarecrow. We'll get it later so that this cave is just maxed out. These are almost maxed out. I just don't have the solar shields. I'm gonna name this episode "Maxing Out the Slots in the Grotto." Maxing out the slots in the Grotto, yeah. The next episode, maybe we'll work for the dock because I think it's cheaper, and just so I don't have to carry all these puddle slimes with me. I know plans keep changing, but I, I hope you guys can understand because I just like I just got new dudes. I need to treat them good. Or maybe we'll start maxing out all the stuff tomorrow. Maybe we'll do that. You never know. That's why I don't like staying up. I'm gonna do stuff because it's not always true. Yeah, maybe we'll work on that so we can max out our silo. It'd be nice because I think it has like two more additional slots. Yeah, this and this. Okay, yeah. Um, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider smashing that like button. And if you did like the video, please hit that like button. Yeah, we wouldn't have completed that. Alright. Capiche, kaposh, bye.